How to draw the Boston Red Sox logo, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for today's drawing, it's essentially just going to be a big bubble letter B. So let's begin by drawing the two shapes on the inside of the B, first beginning with the top shape. Now, let's go ahead and make an outline around that shape that we just drew together. Then we're going to want to draw the second shape right below and do the exact same thing. Well done, now let's go right below. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so that you have a moment or two to catch up. At the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Next, we're going to want to draw the outline of the B around those two shapes that we just drew together. Similar to those two shapes, we're going to make an outline around this line as well, but first let's just go ahead and draw the simple outline. And if you want to see more logo drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to check out our logo drawing tutorial playlist, which I'll put a link to down in the description below. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. Now we're almost done. We just have to do one more thing, which I previously mentioned. We're going to go ahead and draw an outline around that line that we just made. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw the Boston Red Sox logo. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because I upload on a regular basis. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.